How to unsubscribe from Hotels.com marketing emails. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with some tutorial in order to do so we can just get started with the video. So we can open up any promotional email from Hotels.com for that. We can go to gmail.com for that and basically go to one of the promotional email from Hotel. For example, let's say this is from Hotels.com. Now we can just go over and directly look out for this option called unsubscribe. Usually we can find it for promotional websites like those. We can click on unsubscribe and select this option of unsubscribe and confirm it up. And now our email will be removed from the marketing list within a few days very directly. And within the application or the website as well, what we can do is we can just go over to the account option in the top right corner and click on it and select the option of account or profile. And once we go to account or profile, we can just go to the section for notifications or communications, for example, and click on it. After that, from that section, we will be finding option called choose how we notify you about account and reward updates. We can select this option account support and click on it. And there we can just go over and click the option called disable marketing emails if you have not updated here. And that way you should be able to unsubscribe within the day. It may take from 5 to 7 days for all the marketing emails to stop. You may still receive transactional emails like booking confirmations. But those are probably some methods you can follow for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.